Ebusuya Sama ba me no ka say de Sammy Gyamfi ene Wai-Mahama Ayariga majority leader omo aklashi ni nyina ne say so be kaya 2024 during presidential and parliamentary election campaign time no Sammy Gyamfi ko TV so can say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say oba no be Ghana man panyin a even though of education one no won say nkola ne bi ho no mo a even omo prospectors mu niam na awofo no ehun ya den so many sky dey ato enti san nkola no ba or special treatment we dey mo san nkola no on beto chop box trunk mattress omo pillowcase bi a we ni no prospectors mu dey on beto dia mom na we e na o kan asem na wie na chi no majority leader and this majority leader Wai-Mahama Ayariga bekas masa oye otrofo because ye NDC yan hye sa abo no enta oye awofo na koto ba ma NDC because Sammy Gyamfi kala so na ogidi ye dia na Wai-Mahama Ayariga se kan kire o se entro na Sammy Gyamfi e di kire yengo tie nsem a Wai-Mahama Ayariga de to dwane ba ne busia meka o sai Ghana St0p mesre se wo ba na wala like am onye bi enya bi ahwe we nso ache wadwo comment section na share ma onye bi nso no ensantimi nka bi yembo we onye ko tie nsem a Sammy Gyamfi eni Wai-Mahama Ayariga aga to dwane emra
on krani bia omo papa ne omawofo omo ni bi kura ono no school no ye ni free man okra ontumi nko because kai sika ode kokra den enkura ni bi wo wa ya fan fresh prospectors ko fa we bra mattress ontumi nya President Mahama said something special must be done for them targeted we see a targeted sankura no ne mo special dispensation bia ometumi akọ. This is what President Mahama means when he says, I will review free SHS.
A few moments later.
Nobody ever promised anything like that. So when schools reopen and parents have to buy their chalk boxes, have to buy their spoons and cups and etc., how does that become an indication of a non-performing government?
Ebusuya, otrofo osma dance ne den ewa brochwe. So what? Wai-Mahama Ayariga se kan kire o say, Boga, nobody promised you say oh, why not because better perspective mu nyama no na yewo awofo no o responsibility say oba na okọ school no obeto the perspectives mu nyama e di ama no obeto the provisions e di ama no. It is not the responsibility of the government enti say obi ka kire wo dia o say nipa ne twa wondro. Sammy Gyamfi is a confident trickster. He is a liar, and I told you guys say no government will provide your a child's perspectives for the person. But you guys believed in Sammy Gyamfi and thought Ekufado was not doing things right. Ekufado should provide you perspectives for your own kid or no school. And you believed Sammy Gyamfi and went and voted for the NDC. And today they are telling you that they never promised anything like that. They never did. So now, who are you going to blame? You have to blame yourself because when I want to make them, it deceive you. Within a promise. Me catch you say NDC omu ni vision. Now only me busuani dey ade ba kwa yeswe. Unim say during 2020-2024 elections now, NDC for e catch you omu mebru omu di omu chi say NDC we never power. Na so kwa kopɛ appointment e busa ne say ye busa ne say the certificate we ya onye sa ade we ti yasem papa no e de to dwa.
Now, what's about family member branch of Wahai? And my bow and pay. So, NDC winning elections 2020, inshallah. Obi, who got now go pay to one of the Santa Coffin certificate bar, who got upon us.
Ebusuya, me say 2024. Bibian one NDC and for can be. Me say 2 million omo peninti no like omo nka sansembu omo kakra na omo ndwene hu nkwa achiwe. And this is some of the reasons why intia after saying this union kofu bi feel say omo nya de omo pe no omo say omo ye tutura say mo mining because mo ka kire omo say so okona say ama na asum kura ombo me ka kire say NDC na omo ye very desperate for power to the extent say they didn't thought of the things are no more can some of the things that they said they didn't even thought about it, how it was going to affect the people. Say, and this is example. Because how can you tell me, say, we got appointment? Imagine say I appoint to be so or a minister for energy. None no common data certificates to our nibi. Nim dia berina or the ministry of them, Edia Shagana and Namkaniaso. Imagine say I appoint you to say Minta Kanda, or ya dining hall prefect, some conquer minister for health. Nimdia Beno, a year health, any papa mudin, our bishop said the papa mudin, a better ye. This is the reason why we are where we are today. Because a lot of these people, don't even have any idea about position there. They don't have any idea about it. And that is why we are suffering today. Ghana is suffering. Ghana is suffering. And I hope, say, these people are, His Excellency the President will realize, say, these people are not fit for purpose. Now, be adding, everybody says uncle for now, be reshuffle, once as uncle for in that position. Because they are not helping His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to succeed. I'm telling you, that's a real fact. Meeting, any promise. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye. Happy. I was here. But I can't say me actually. When him say, share my make us some Minister for Health. Onye serious. Yes. Onye serious. Now, share video we
program. One is you said you've gotten another contractor to continue the project. Did I hear you right, please?
The chairman, unfortunately, I didn't expect this. If I was going to do this, probably you would have informed me in advance to bring the necessary documentations, and I thought that I was going to take the opportunity to explain to you what really has happened. So, Mr. Chairman, I with a great respect, where I've gotten to, if you indulge me, I think we'll leave it here.
Yes. Honorable Minister. No, there's a question you can answer. You ask him if he has another contractor, right? On the project. You've gotten some Ghana, something. Unless you want to retract whatever he said, then I will also take my question back. Ask him a question. Yeah, he hasn't answered. Okay, he will answer. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, if you need any better...
Abusia, you even ask a very simple question. When the company for Fra, Omabedi Jumana na yes or no? I didn't know you were going to ask me this question. You should have told me so that I would have prepared myself and all those stuff. Bro, you're the minister for Christ's sake. You've been going around talking, say, this and this, these people didn't do this thing right and this, all this stuff. Now you have the you have the platform, you have the power to do everything that you have to do. And you ask them, you've been asked a very simple question. When you're baby, simple near baby. What is all these things? Bro, you guys should be serious for 2025. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye. Me say, nipa ya cutlery set, nipa ya fucking. Unim say buabian someone. Before ansana, the nimbe guasi or dear nim guasi and you will be free and pipi mono. Or can say same way, Peace FM. Seeing some of the tuja.
Yo, ain't political science in your back. Yes, I can come back. Meet you. The American is say, Tintin, I'm watching in the no. Baumia de Mufia. Are they? One not, or my NDC for so diabolic. Are they? You saw who didn't see us them so. NDC for who position. The acquire said Baumia dear, or my young is here no. Now you have a mom. And yes, it will be what economists are now will be. A
few moments later.
I think I am. I give a competition. Oh, competition. You can follow and didn't be so. Oh, yeah, and this in me. You got tablet in the basis. Oh, Vice President. Running mate for 8 years, vice president for 8 years. Before that, what see, he had to wave. He had nothing to do with the NDC. He had to wave. Nana paint near. Yes, Simon. He said, "Be here." Has she declared for the NPP? Does she have an NPP card? No, any NPP card.
All right, Abusia. It's the end. The same person I can't say. NDC first wrote Dr. Baumia. Enunti say a be obey to me the NPP power na to me Dr. Baumia. And the Nimbuasia any or time hunu a so nim fast wanti on nam said Dr. Baumia. Ayo MPP. Nanusa oh ye oh way I can ask me. I was 3 oh see or your way. April 2012 MPP party no appointed wo Boabia Samoa say be Dr. Baumia spokesperson sambre no se na wadwen mu enim like onim nyansa wo nyansa wadwen mu a na nka wadwen bebu for say obi oye ho de eba ne sen obi a meme ye kromani no ekoye ho no spokesperson ba sambre no no onye ho abro de obaji power 2016 2020 de no onye ho enne de eduru se nipa ne be lead party nda so ye ho odwan funu se wowu a ma wani enka wa mnem se wowu a wani nka wa mnem wo ma MPP wo so won ka ho wonya suma brewa be ba kwhwe de e fa ho ben boga how will it concern you e fa ho ben ma ya so ndwe why na wo nyo bia won so wo ye wo e MPP mo peace shalom bye bye.